Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are going to look at a quick and clean way to write professional fractions in Microsoft Word. Start by opening your Word document. Go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Look over to the far right of the ribbon and click on Equation. You can also click the drop-down arrow and choose Insert New Equation. A new menu will appear. Click on the Fraction button. This will show you a few different layouts like stacked, skewed, or linear fractions. Choose the style that best fits your document. Once you click your preferred style, a small template with 2 empty boxes will appear on your page. Click inside the top box to type your numerator. Then click inside the bottom box and type your denominator. When you finish, just click anywhere outside the fraction box. You now have a perfectly formatted fraction ready to go. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.